What's going on, guys? We're finally at the bloody track. Look, we're about to go drifting. First day with the new HGT Sequential. I thought I'd maybe try to do a few more of these vlogs. So what I'm going to try to do today is just show you what I go through on like a test day. It's not often I have like a proper test day. So I might do some like setup changes and things. Are those guys taking the piss out of me? The actual...
Oh my god, it's Alex! Oh my god! It's New Zealand Daigo Saito! He's here!
But just a bit more straight. So yeah, I'll just show you what I like sort of normally look through, give like feedback on the car, what I'm feeling, things that I think I can improve and things that maybe I can't. Looks like we might actually get a bit of rain today, which I'm actually kind of looking forward to. One thing I want to get used to today is hopefully just get heaps of seat time and actually get used to like shifting and handbraking the car. And I know that seems maybe a bit like silly, like surely it's a sequential so it's easy, but in the heat of the moment it's quite easy to like make mistakes and things like that, so I'm just going to try and get like my reactions done. Some agile boys. Still running the bloody agile steering in this thing. It's been going bloody wonderful. Pretty excited to do some bloody skids, test out the new gearbox. So we're just going to put some shitty wheels on for a start, have a bit of a good old warm up. I'm bloody learning how to turn this camera around. So yeah, I'll just go for a hoon. I'll chuck videos in as I'm driving. I'll have GoPros and whatever on, and maybe I'll yarn and then maybe I won't. I'll take some passengers, and yeah, I guess the main thing is, yeah, I'm not going to go hazing through my tyres today. I want to actually get decent seat time in and just get used to the car and actually bloody drive the thing, since we're barely allowed to do that these days. So yeah, let's see how we go. I might take the EJ out for this first spin. We'll just get these tyres changed and head out. Cheers, Oscar.
Oh, yeah, true. Crack up.
So we've had the first 3-ish laps with the car, and it's freaking awesome. Exactly, pretty much drives and does what I think it should. Pretty much had the grip wound all the way up. that's some bloody sidelight there, lads. This is the tyre that's going to get punished at this track. Car's still bloody getting warm, so I'm going to start running my I've made up like a wee sprayer system, so we'll be testing that out to see how that goes. Other than that, actually pretty good. The steering still gets a bit tight into place. I think it's rubbing on the guards a little bit, but kind of oh yeah, you can see it. This line here, that rubs on some bloody panel up in there by the bumper. That's why the bumper's looking a bit second-handed there. But on that, all good. Just going to do some checks. Make sure she's happy. Don't really know what I want to change up next. Think might see what this weather's doing and what the rain is up to. But I might dial it down and just actually drive it and see how it goes. Something weird's going on with the clutch actually. That's another wee major. Don't know what it is. It's pretty much become like an on-off switch, like a legitimate on-off switch. So maybe it's gotten a bit hot. I might just go a bit easier on it this lap and just maybe not punish it quite as much on the clutch kicks, and I'll see if it comes back. Otherwise, I might just have to get a bigger one so we can run a bit more grunt as well. So got the boys on the jobs. So gonna go there soon and see what happens. 265s on this thing. My God, that is awesome. Oh, insane. Oh God, I lost my thing. Man, I just went for a ride. I'm just so excited. I went for a ride on the bloody, lighting's better this way. Went for a ride on the 265s, man, on the semis. The old, what even are these? Can't even tell. Racing King. Oh, the Tri-Aces, Man, that was actual gangster. Somehow the car actually did it sweet. I'm super surprised. That chase on Liam was good run. Actually, you'll see in the video. It was a good lead run from Liam, definitely. Obviously, I was well over grip compared to him, but that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see what the car would do when I'm asking it to be slow, and still definitely quite drivable. I actually can't believe how well it handled the semis and like how much more. I've never noticed grip in drift so much before, even when I first ran the good rides at D1. Even when I first ran the good rides at D1. yeah, nothing like it. That was actually insane. Maybe the step up from 2.6 or 2.3 to 2.6 is the difference, but that was actually incredible. I need to definitely run the car like that all the time. That's mean. So last 10 out of good rides going on. They served me very bloody well. I'm very happy with the laps they gave. Thanks to the bloody lads for.
Throw out cable tellers and,
Do you think it's going to shake petrol?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, these bad boys now to grippy. And yeah, everything's all relatively under control in the engine bay. Other than probably the bits that keeps coming out because the bloody oil is so loose. So that's just made a little bit of a mess, but that's all good. Fuel's not oil at all day, so that's quite a good thing. And it's going good. Like a real bloody thing. I'll be taking it into the guys at SAS, checking the bloody ethanol tune. Just check it over, make sure it's all good, get the injectors cleaned and things like that, just make sure it's sweet. But yeah, go back out, take it home for a spin. Yeah, I just want to actually try to get some seat time. I haven't had a chance to, like I said I wanted to, because it's been dry, and it's real easy to just get carried away and pluck gears, and just get real smoky, but yeah, I might wait for the rain. The rain's supposed to come in a wee bit more solid, and just go out on semis in the rain and see what that actually does. Should be horrific. Should be really shit and hard to control. So, COVID. So hopefully it is. That way, yeah, I can see what the car handles like on semis in the rain. So, I haven't made any setup changes at all. I don't think there's any need to. I'll just run this as a baseline, get used to what it feels like, and maybe next week at levels I might mix around with some setups. I'll say that now, but I'll probably drive the car and just actually get used to it because there's not a hell of a lot of seat time I'm doing. Anyway, enough blabbering. Cut to Skids with Joe. No bloody corner there. Yes. No, it's not. We're done. I'm done drifting. I'm going to blow my car up. So I'm going to take it to SA's now. Get it checked out. Thanks for your help, DJ. And Andrew, is he there? Hello. Mr. Blaze. He's been on the other side of this camera as well today. Very good day. It started raining a little bit. Got a bit of practice in the wet, not heaps. Car's still fast as in the rain. The semi-slicks that I've been on, which you would have already seen the videos of, freaking awesome. I was like screaming in the car, so that means all was well. And yeah, take it to the SAS now, get the ejectors cleaned, just check the tune up, make sure she's making the same unicorns that it was making before, and that's probably it for this video. Maybe I'll show you some SAS stuff. Possibly, probably not. And then and then levels in 2 weeks or something. So yeah, see you later. Sure.